Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 8, Verbs from the book English Grammar 3. Verbs are the words that tell us what a person, animal or thing is doing. Verbs show action, so they are called action words or doing words. तो जो verbs होते हैं वो ऐसे words होते हैं जो कि हमें बताते हैं person या कोई animal या thing क्या कर रहे हैं. Okay. ऑल्सो जो वर्ब्स होते हैं वो एक्शन शो करते हैं, इसलिए हम इन्हें एक्शन वर्ड्स भी कहते हैं और डूइंग वर्ड्स भी कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट, द बर्ड्स फ्लाई इन द स्काई. द वर्ड फ्लाई टेल्स व्हाट द बर्ड्स डू. सो हियर यू कैन सी फ्लाई इज हाईलाइटेड. सो जो ये वर्ड फ्लाई है वो हमें बता रहा है कि जो बर्ड्स है वो क्या कर रही हैं. ओके. Second, Kajol draws a picture. The word draws tells what Kajol does. अब जो ये word draws है यहाँ पर highlighted है, ये हमें बता रहा है कि काजोल क्या कर रही है. Then third, Neeraj catches a ball. The word catches tells what Neeraj does. Again, catches हमें बता रहा है कि नीरज क्या कर रहा है. Then we have fourth, Rupa sings sweetly. The word sings tells what Rupa does. Sing हमें क्या बता रहा है कि रूपा क्या करती है उसके बारे में बता रहा है. Now, fly, draws, catches and sings are action words. These all are the action words. They express an action. ये सारे क्या बता रहे हैं? एक एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. These words are called verbs. So, these words we call them as verbs. The verbs fly, draws, sings, catches are made up of only one word. Sometimes a verb can be made up of two or more than two words. So, यहाँ पर जो verbs थी fly, draws, sings, catches, ये एक word से मिलकर बनी थी. कभी कभी verbs जो होती हैं वो two words से मिलकर भी बनती हैं. Okay? Then we have now read the following sentences. First, I am a girl. Now here you can see am. This is a verb. Second, the tea is hot. Now is. This is also a verb. Third, the mangoes are ripe. Now are. Are is also a verb. The words am, is, are help to say what I am, the tea is, or the mangoes are. They just say that people or things are something. They are also called verbs. A verb is also used to say what a person, thing, or animal is. A verb is also used to say what a person, thing, or animal is. तो जो ये words थे am, is, are, these are also verbs. जो वर्ब होती है वो हमें ये भी बताने में हेल्प करती है कि पर्सन, थिंग और एनिमल कौन सा है. ओके, नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. अगेन वी हैव टू रीड सम सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट, माय अंकल हैज अ कार. नाउ हियर हैज, दिस इज अ वर्ब. सेकंड, द monkeys have long tails. Have, this is also a verb. Third, we had a big house last year. Now, had, this is also a verb. The words has, have and had tell us what my uncle, the monkeys and we have or possess. So, जो has, have, had होते हैं ये सारे words बताते हैं कि कोई चीज क्या possess करती है, own करती है. Okay, these words are also verbs. इन्हें भी हम verbs ही बोलते हैं. A verb tells what a person, thing or animal does, is or has. अब जो verb होती है वो हमें ये बताती है कि person, thing या animal क्या कर रहा है, कौन है और वो क्या possess करता है. Okay. Then now read the following sentences. Again we have some sentences. First, Jhalak is eating an apple. Now is eating again a verb. Okay. Second, the children are playing football. Are playing is the verb here. Okay. Then third, they will be leaving for Kolkata tomorrow. Now we have will be leaving. This is the verb here. Okay. Then we have creative skill, time to do. Now A, underline the verbs in the following sentences. We have to underline the verbs here. So let's just do it. First, lions roar. Now here the verb is roar. Then second, a cat meows. Now meows is the verb here. Third, a doctor treats patients. Here the treat word is the verb. Fourth, a teacher teaches us. Now teaches is the verb here. Fifth, Rani dances beautifully. Now dances is the verb here. Sixth, Devansh draws nice pictures. Now in this sentence, draws is the verb. Seventh, the tailor stitches our clothes. Now here, stitches is the verb. Eighth, they do their homework daily. In this sentence, do is the verb. Ninth, the postman brings our letters. In this one, brings is the verb. 10th, Sanju plays badminton. Now in this one, plays is the verb. Then we have B, underline the verbs in the following sentences. Again, we have to underline the verbs. First, you are eating your breakfast. Now, are eating is the verb. Second, I am washing my face. Now, here, am washing is the verb. Third, Manu is sleeping. In this one, is sleeping is the verb. Fourth, the cows are grazing in the field. Now, in this sentence, are grazing is the verb. Fifth, Brijesh is reading a book. Now, is reading, this is the verb. Sixth, Radha is writing a letter. Now, is writing is a verb. So, we'll underline. Seventh, we are going to school. Now, are going is the verb. So, we'll underline. Eighth, the dog is barking loudly. Now, is barking is the verb here. So, we'll underline. Ninth, Seema was playing badminton. Now, was playing is the verb here. So, we'll underline. 10th, mother was cooking food. Now, was cooking is the verb. So, we'll underline. Then we have C, underline the verbs in the following sentences. Again, we have to underline the verbs. First, we have a big house. Now, in this sentence, have is the verb here. Second, he has a watch. In this one, has is the verb. Third, she had a fever yesterday. Now, in this one, had is the verb here. Fourth, Rupa was absent yesterday. Now, in this one, was is the verb. So, we'll underline. Fifth, the birds were flying in the sky. So, in this one, were flying is the verb. So, we'll underline. Sixth, Virat is a good batsman. Now, in this one, is the verb here. Seventh, she is cheerful. In this one, is the verb. Eighth, they are hungry. Now, are hungry is the verb. So, we'll underline. We have the eighth one, they are hungry. Now, in this one, are is the verb. So, we'll underline. Ninth, we are happy. In this one, are is the verb here again. Then 10th, Ram is gentle. Now in this sentence, is the verb here. Okay, we'll underline. Now we have review. A word that tells what a person, thing or animal does is called a verb. ऐसा वर्ड जो कि हमें बताए पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग क्या कर रहे हैं उनको हम वर्ब कहते हैं. A verb is also used to say what a person, thing or animal is. Verb इसलिए भी यूज किया जाता है कि पर्सन कौन सा है, एनिमल कौन सा है, थिंग कौन सी, उनको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए. A verb tells what a person, thing or animal does, is or has. वर्ब ये भी हमें बताता है कि जो पर्सन है, थिंग है या एनिमल है वो क्या कर रहे हैं, कौन है और उनके पास क्या है. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.